I'll pass it over to you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Let me just share my screen here.
Nice. Okay.
Okay. Are you able to see the PowerPoint in the large screen or?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. It's actually we see them as we see two things.
Oh, see the page with you see the two slice window.
Yeah, like one big window and then a small one on the side with like a timer.
Okay. Let me share. Let me try to share again. That's weird.
Maybe if you hit play for the slideshow, I'm not sure.
Because I have two screens here, and then once I click the slideshow window, and then the other share screen pop up. I guess, I can just share it again. Is it still sharing my window right now?
Yeah, we still see your screen.
Okay. Let's see. It's weird. I can't stop sharing because I can't see the stop button.
That's fun. I mean, this is good. We can see the presentation.
Okay. Because the thing is, I don't see the stop sharing window, so I don't know how this is gonna.
Oh, you gotta kind of like mouse over the top of your screen, and it'll pop up.
Right, but it doesn't pop up here for some reason. Let me just jump out of a Zoom and join again, and then I'll share the other screen.
Okay.
Doesn't do.
I think it might be good to go. Like we can see the online shopping hacks screen.
Okay, yeah. Then I just use this then. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about some online shopping hacks. I personally I'm an active online shopper, so these are the hacks that I have over the years. Let me see. So first is use online deals as leverage. So say if you see something in a department store that you really like, but it's not on sale, then it's time to take out your smartphone and find the items online for a better deal. But don't buy yet. Instead, ask to, when you speak to the cashier, or ask to speak to a store manager, and most of the time, they will match that price for you. And same thing with online shopping. So when you see those dialog boxes, ask if you would like to chat with someone on the website. Don't just close it. So instead, go say hello and ask if they can match the price for you. If not, ask if they have any promotion code that they can share with you. So a lot of times they have access to deals that you might not find anywhere else. And then you can also email or call customer service if chatting is not an option. If that doesn't work, your last option would be try to twittering at them. So because a lot of brands are much more responsive through social media than they are through traditional mode of communication. Next, abandon your online shopping cart. So this is a two-stage process. First, you go to your website, find what you like, then add it to your cart, then close the browser and wait for a day or two. You should expect a coupon or promotion code to appear in your inbox to tip the purchase. So the concept is leaving items in your shopping cart shows the store that you are contemplating your purchase. So this encourages the website to get you back with a deal. So it's like my favorite store, Bed Bath & Beyond. Almost every time you leave something in your cart and then after you close out, come back within like 2 days, they will send you a 20% off coupon. But just to make sure that you have an account set up with them before you close out, also make sure that you click the OK to contact me about sales and special offer option when you register. So next is clear your browser. So vendors are more likely to offer discounts to new customer as incentives to close the deal. So what you can do is to use incognito mode every time you do online shopping. But nowadays I noticed that some websites can still recognize you even you are on incognito mode. So in this case, you can what you can do is you can designate one browser that you use for online shopping only. So say if you already use Google Chrome, then you can use Safari or Firefox just to only do online shopping, just to make sure that you always clear your cookies after you finish shopping. Next is save now, buy later. So say if you see a pair of shoes that you really like during Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale, but unfortunately they run out of your size or color, what you can do is you can still purchase that pair of shoes, but with a different size. Wait until they have your size back in stock, then exchange them. Most of the stores will do an even exchange, so you can still get your shoes with the same price. Next would be about free shipping. So just because shipping is free, it doesn't always make the overall price a good deal. So always compare the total cost with other sites before you click the checkout button. So the last one is about the card that you use when you shop. So if you already paid off your credit card bill each month, it's better to use a credit card over a debit card when you shop online. It takes a lot less time to refund a credit card than a debit card. Also, you have more security when you use a credit card instead of your debit card, because most credit card companies offer purchase protection, so you won't be liable for purchase made if your card is stolen, which is not an option with a debit card. Also, the thief can also clear out your bank account with all your debit card information. Okay, so this is about it. Hopefully this is helpful for all of you. Let me know if you have any questions.
Awesome, thanks. Any questions?
Hold on. Let me stop sharing my screen here.
I have a question, like if you have something you really want to buy, what's the best way to find like prices at a ton of different sites? Is there like any new kind of like apps that you know of that just will like check all across the internet at all kinds of different little tiny stores and see which one has it at the best price?
Well, if you don't have any favorite store that you want to go to, just want to buy like a random pair of shoes or any clothes or any item, I usually just do Google shopping, and then they have this filter option that you can filter the total price instead of just the price itself. Oh. And then you know what I usually do is I don't compare the total price, because total price they always calculate the shipping, but a lot of websites they offer free shipping if you reach like a minimum amount. So that way you can it's still cheaper even with the shipping, because a lot of websites they offer free shipping if you make a certain amount of purchase. Yeah, Slick Deals, I use Slick Deals a lot, but I need to be very careful using that website because you can get addicted.
Awesome. Good information. Evan, did you have a presentation ready for us, or are you gonna like phone a friend and try another day?
Yes, I have a presentation.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, I will do. Yeah, I'll share computer sound. Right. Okay. How's that for everyone? Can everybody see?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. I will be presenting today on a website I am designing for my old roommate and good friend John Gomez, who has made a new opera company called Opera Venezuela. And a little bit about them. I will read from the front page I made. We are an international organization dedicated to providing cultural opportunities for emerging artists, singers, stage managers, theater technicians, dancers, actors to enhance their artistic growth. Opera Venezuela members share the management of the organization to cultivate their own learning and develop their professional careers by taking on administrative and artistic roles. So this is John Gomez. He is the artistic director. So a little bit about how I made this website. It's purely HTML and CSS. So all these tabs here are different pages. And a little bit about the color. How I picked, particularly for the top, what really helps is this Chrome extension called ColorZilla. If any of you have heard of that, I basically just looked around and I found a color I particularly liked and set it up in here. So it's basically this chocolate-looking color, and I used some gray as well. This navbar on the side, I used a little bit of Bootstrap, and the way I got around to having the text show up towards the top is that I made sure that, so there are 12 columns, as you all know, with Bootstrap. And the way I got around to it is if you say, for example, set all this to be within 9 columns, then it should show up at the top. So I'm going to go take a look through some of the pages I made. So the artistic director page, again, it's my friend John William Gomez, and this is his biography here. Let me scroll to the bottom. He has some videos down here as well, and some of his reviews he's had. There's this Curso Lyrico page. This is basically, Camila will understand this. This is in Spanish. This is basically a masterclass of some sort. And a little advertisement image down there. And here we have a few operas he did. And I'm going to click Gianni Schicchi because I was actually involved in this one. Gianni Schicchi is about a family who is very upset at the passing of their head of the family because he passed his inheritance to these monks in the monastery, and everybody's just fighting to get his inheritance, to change his will after his death. And through serendipity and a horrible set of events, this fellow named Gianni Schicchi actually gets everything, and everybody's just very upset, and there's a fight at the end. It's a very funny show. Here, let me skip to this live and local page. This is a radio interview with a link. And there are some pictures as well. He has some videos set up here from concerts. There's some very good stuff here. There's a contact page, very short one, and a short blog as well. Again, this is in Spanish. Camila should be able to understand this. And so this is the website I have designed.
Very cool. Thanks for sharing. How long ago did you start working on it? How much time did you put into it, would you say?
I would say this took me a couple weeks so far.
Awesome. Great practice. And right, there's like a lot of nuance to it, right? Positioning text, picking colors, setting up links, even getting videos in there. That's great. Any other questions for Evan?
Yeah, how were you involved in the, was it Giovanni Schicchi?
Oh, Gianni Schicchi?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a very small role in that. There's this fellow named Guccio who was a witness to the signing of the forged will. So that was my role.
Awesome. We're going to give you the whole time to work today. One thing I want to say, though, is so now you're going to have like a pretty good block of time. I would set with your group maybe like at 10:30. Just take like a 10-minute break. Just be like, hey, it's 10:30. Let's step away from our computers. Let's 10-minute bathroom break, walk around the block, whatever. And then maybe meet back up at like 10:40 or whatever time works for your group. But I would encourage you guys to set yourselves a little 10-minute time where you guys all agree to give it a rest for a couple minutes and stretch at least, do some foam rolling, anything along those lines. Any